Hey guys, it's Qwerty Tawan here, and today we're going to be playing Warrior Cats. So, I am Scar. I am the alpha of the Thunder Clan, so yep, and let's get right into it. I'm sleepy. I mean, I'm an alpha of a Shadow Clan, not Thunder Clan. It's pretty glitchy, you know. By the way, Oh, people took the Catman. Why? Well, okay, so max limit is 15 minutes, I think. Well, hopefully this video can be 15 minutes. So, also, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my new videos. To be honest, if you want to join my group, it'll be in the description down below. So I'm gonna go back to our den, if we can find it. Yeah, that's the tree. Moss. Doc. Okay, Catmans are back. Oh, woo. These are the Catmans. We need to get all the supplies until the rain starts. So I'll put it on this little table. Neil. Okay, so someone took the mouse already. Well, I'm not the puppy's still here. Okay, then we need a catman in the middle, and then a duck on top, and then yeah, let's get the catman. There, now the mouse. If you can find any. I saw it right somewhere there. The duck. We gotta run. Oh. Well, they can have those. I'll eat this. Catman, I just ate. Now the duck, I will eat it. I'm gonna find a place to put it because it's still the inside of it and it's rotten. So yep. Inside duck is rot. So I don't want it inside. Thanks. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here because it'll take a long time to load the video onto YouTube. So, see ya. Goodbye.